plane. This is AP and then this is AT. The angle of elevation from a man standing at point C. So there's a person, this is you here, standing here again. So there's an angle of elevation, and then there's also going to be another angle of elevation. And then if you add this one and this one, and this, even if they didn't give us this one, we could carry it again. Because we know these are angles on a what? On a straight line. Okay. And then they say, which now we are given which the building height of this building is 13 meters. The building, the height of this building is what? It's 20 meters. And then from here onwards, they say which we should determine the length of AC and the length of CE. Okay, before we do that, let's identify the triangles that we have there. So let's identify the triangles that you have. Maria, give me a triangle that you can see here. You can see triangle CEA, this one here. Okay, let me highlight the one that Maria is talking about. It's CEA, this one here. Okay, Marie, I'm going to take it out. Here it is here. Give me the information that you have on this thing. What is the information that you have? Okay, so this one here, it's E here. And then this one here, it's A. And then this one here, it's what? It's C. Okay, what is the information that you have on this triangle here? Do you know what is AE? You don't know. Okay, do you know what is AC? Do you know what is AE? CE. We know what is, do you know what is angle A? Do you know what is angle A? What is angle A? Okay, which angle do you know then? So we know what is this angle. This angle here is 100. Okay, let's go to the next one. Can you see my Ben? Which triangle do you see here? You see APC. APC is this one again. Okay, if we take APC, let's take it out so it looks something like this. Okay, here you have A, here you have B, and then here you have C. Okay, give me the information that you have on APC. You have angle, this angle here. What is this angle? This is 37. Okay. What is this here? It's 13. Okay, there's an information which is hidden. They said these things, they're on the same horizontal plane. This is vertical. If there's a vertical and a horizontal, where a horizontal and a vertical meet, they always form an angle then. And then the angle that they're going to form is going to be what? To be 90 degrees. Horizontal plane and a vertical plane. Actually, this is the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis and the y-axis, where they meet, they're going to form a 90-degree angle. Okay. Ben, is there any other triangle that you see here? Okay, give us the triangle that you see. You have this triangle here. Okay, let's take it out. This one. It looks something like this. Okay, give me the information of this one. So you have E, you have C, and then you have D. Give me the information. You know what is ED? ED is equal to 20 meters. And then you know this angle here is 43. And then you also know this one here is going to be what? 90 degrees. Okay, let's go and work now. They say which determine what is going to be AC. Let's go and check which triangle has AC. Let's call this one. Mara, you can see the colors. We'll call them the green one, we'll call them the orange one, and then we'll call them the red one again. Which one has AC? The orange one and the green one, they have AC again. Now, between the two of them, which one has more information? The green one again. So to get our AC, we can use what? The green one. Okay, I wanted to show you which here. We can also use the sign rule here. Again, we are looking for AC here. Since we're looking for AC, then we can say, okay, this one goes with this one here. And then we can say, which this one here goes with this one. Or we can use, if you don't want to use the sign rule, you can use still use the soccer too. Again, this one is a right angle triangle. Okay, let's try to use the sign rule just in case you want to use the sign rule. So you are looking for AC. So you're going to say, let's name this thing here. This one here is going to be small letter P. And then this one here is going to be small letter what? A. And then this one here is going to be small letter what? C. Okay. Now we're looking for P. If we're looking for P, we're going to say P all over the sine of P, which is going to be equaling to, I am going to use only this one here, which is going to say which it's C all over the sine of what? Of C. Look at this then. I'm going to tell them, okay, what is B? B is AP again. Or it's AC, man. And then I'm going to have the sine. What is the angle P? It's 90 degrees, which is going to be equaling to, what is C? It's 13 again. All over, we have the sine. What is the angle here? It's 37 degrees again. And then you can cross multiply then. If you cross multiply, you're going to have AC, which is going to be given as 13 multiplied by the sine of 90 degrees, all over the sine of 37 degrees. And then you can go and put this in your calculator. If you put this in your calculator, you're going to have 13 multiplied by the sine again of 90, close bracket, all over the sine of 37 again. And then you close the bracket. And then what does it say? It says which AC is going to be given as 21,60 meters again. Yeah, like if you didn't use this, you used a trig ratio. What did you say? You said you have opposite all over what? All over hypotenuse. So that one can also work. Okay, let's go to EC now. On EC, this is going to be 2.1.1. We want EC again. Where would you get EC? Which diagram has EC? Is the orange one again? And then also the what? The red one. Between the orange and the red one, which one has more information? The red again. Okay, we're going to say which this is 2.1.2 again. Now we can use the sine rule. We can use the sine, the trig ratios here. If we say tone, and then let's define, let's name our sides then. Let's start with the hypotenuse side. I think this one here is opposite 90 degrees. It's going to be our hypotenuse side. Okay? And then in relation to 43, this thing here is going to be what? Opposite. Okay, this one here is what? It's adjacent. Okay, so now we're looking for the hypotenuse side, and then we have the opposite side. Okay? Which trigonometric ratio, Chad, has opposite and hypotenuse? We are looking for a trig ratio which has opposite and the hypotenuse. It's going to say sine of 43 again. Is going to be given by opposite. Opposite is 20 again. All over hypotenuse side. What is your hypotenuse side? It's EC again. And then you want EC one. What should you do from here if it's you? You cross multiply again. If you cross multiply, it says which EC is going to be given as 20 all over the sine of what? Of 43. Okay, let's go and type this and check what do we get. We say we have 20 again, all over sine 43, close bracket, equals to, what do we get? 29,33 meters. Okay, so we are marking again. So you get 3 marks for this one. It's 1, 2, 3. And then here you're also going to get 1, 2, 3. And then after that, they say, would you calculate the distance again? We want the distance of AE. Let's go and check the triangle that has AE. Now we know what is this one. Let's update this one. We know what is this one. What is AC? Yeah, what is AC? 21,6. Okay, what is EC? 29,1,33. What are we looking for, Chinamanj? We are looking for A to E again. Now, if you're looking for A to E, you can clearly see which you have a side, and then you also have a side, and then you have an included angle. Then which rule can you use here? We are going to use the cos rule. Okay, let's name these things here. This one here is going to be small letter C again. And then this one is going to be small letter A. And then this one is going to be small letter what? E. Okay, if we continue with that, what are we going to say? Now we're looking for C again. We're going to start with C. So we're going to have C squared, which is going to be given as E squared again, plus A squared minus 2 multiplied by A multiplied by E multiplied by the cos of C. And then from here, you can say what is C? C is going to be AE all squared. And then let's go to E. E, what is E? Small letter E, it's 21,6 all squared plus A, it's 29,33 all squared again, minus 2, 21,6, okay? Okay, multiplied by 29,33, okay? And then it says which we have the cos of 100. And then you can say square root, okay? Okay, AE, what you get as AE then is 39,33 what meters. Okay, we get 1, 2 here. Okay, let's go to the last one. The last one, they want us to get the area of ACE again. ACE. Obviously, we have a side, and then we also have an included angle. So how are we going to get the area of this thing here? We're going to say which is the area of triangle ACE is going to be given as half. Okay? And then we're going to say which you have E, you have okay? Multiplied by the other side that you have is what? It's A. Okay? And then this is going to be the sign of what? Of C. Agree you've used E and A. Ne? Then now the only thing that you haven't used is the what? Is the sign of C. Okay, then if you go and substitute, what are you going to get? You have multiplied by 21,6, okay? Multiplied by 29,33. And then it's going to be the sign of what? Of 100. This is 2,3. And then what you get for your area is 311,995 centimeters squared. And then we're going to get 1, 2. Okay, guys, we are officially done. We are going to do the following as an activity then. We are going to do activity number 6, activity number 7, and then we're also going to do activity number 8.